Look at where I'm at. This is the Neiman Marcus here at Bal Shops.
Bal Harbour.
Shop, wherever this place is called. And look at what we have here.
Going down.
My first Gen 3 model. What the heck?
First floor. Going up.
Look at that. My first Gen 3 model. Yo.
Third floor. Going down.
Sounds like they put some chimes in here.
Going down.
Let's go.
First floor. Going up.
Brand new elevator.
Third floor.
They actually replaced this elevator. Well, this elevator actually replaced. I said
Going
it.
down.
Last elevators here. Thank you. You're welcome. This wasn't here before, so it's kind of interesting. Honestly, I don't understand the hype over these things. It's just very similar to the Gen 2 model.
Going down.
Yes, we're going down. We're gonna be at 2.
Second floor. Going up.
Kind of a but push down.
Going down.
Very cool. My first ever Gen 3 model from Otis. There goes the elevator. I guess that is gonna be it for me.